Good evening, dear students. I hope my voice is audible to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Keep your cameras on, first of all. Come on. Chalo. अच्छा ये मेरे क्लास में you are not turning on the camera or also in the SS you are doing the same. Jainam, Tia, Tanisha, Devanshi, Kashwini, Pranjwal, Krish, Meg. Chalo. फिर देखो I am the host, okay? So if you are not going to turn on the cameras, I'm going to remove you. As simple as that. Thinking you to be the fake one. So before I remove you from the group, it's better that you keep your cameras on. Krish, Meg, Pranjwal. Great. So a few of you have already turned on the cameras. Tanisha. Jainam, did you turn on the camera? Chalo, yes, good. So keep the cameras on, okay? Because if I find you without the camera, I will think that you are the dummy case. And I will remove you. Okay? Yes. Kashwini, Pranjwal, great. Krish Mewada, Meg Patel. Okay, perfect. So far what we have done is we know that there is this lawless person or other scientist and has been found freakingly roaming, okay, around the village of Irwin, right? What is it? Irwin. I-R-I-N? I-V-I-N. Epping. Okay, got it. So basically he's in the village, right? And the landlady is a kind of lady who wants to, get in touch with, of course, Mr. So-called scientist. She's Mr. Griffin. And she is a kind of lady who feels that there should be a kind of good communication between, a landlord and the tenants. But somehow we know that from the beginning itself, Mr. Griffin makes it very clear that he is least interested, and he also gives several reasons. May I know the one reason that he gives? Sneha, can you tell me that one reason which he gives of not communicating?
So he told that he has come to the village because he wish to be work alone and nobody has to disturb him.
He wishes to be in solitude. That's the word that he uses, right? And more or less, he decides that he wants to spend some time with his own self in the work that he is doing. Okay. But was this the last thing that we did, or there was something else? I think he was already lagging the funds, and we come to know that he goes to that clergyman's house and he robs him. The clergyman is kind of doubtful about this robbery because he doesn't see anyone, but perhaps feels that there is something wrong in his house. And at the end, we come to know that he screams. What happened? It's something strange thing. What did he speak? It's something extraordinary thing. And when he says it is something extraordinary thing, somehow he also refers to the black magic. But probably he cannot use that word here, being a clergyman. It doesn't fit him. But it is something extraordinary. Affair, yeah. Yes. Chalo, so who was reading last time? Please continue. You were reading, right? But let her continue. Yes, lekin usi subah it was of course not an extraordinary affair because there was something going wrong in the room where Mr. Griffin lived, and there was something wrong with the furniture of that particular room. Let us figure out what it was.
The landlord and his wife were up every early very early and were surprised to see the scientist door wide open. Usually it was shut and locked.
Yes, तो वैसे तो क्या होता है कि landlord and landlady are fond of waking up early in the morning, and what they see is that the door of scientist is closed, but this time it was wide open. Okay, so they found out that there must be fishing something. They must go and figure out inside. Continue.
And he was furious with the animal entered his door.
Hmm.
They picked around the door, saw nobody, and decided to let it.
Yes, तो उनको तो यही चाहिए था, बट लैंडलेडी और लैंडलॉर्ड को ये लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं शायद कोई उसके रूम में घुस तो नहीं गया, क्योंकि on the ordinary days is the room is quite close, the door is shut, but today it is wide open. It looks like someone has entered into the house, but also deep inside they felt that they must go inside and check what's exactly going on. Continue.
The bed was so cold, so it that the scientist must have been up for some time.
Can you repeat the sentence?
The bed was so cold, so it that the scientist must have been up for some time. Stranger still, the clothes and bandages that he always wore were lying about the room.
Yes, now you see, if I am all alone in my room, I can throw my clothes anywhere I wish to, because it is my alone room. But when someone enters my room without my permission, then definitely, he or she is going to find things put inside my room, and exactly that's what and got figured out that there are a few things. It was lying very much there on the.
Here, one leg of the hand, and up and that itself was safe. Then the bedroom stair into the light, swinging into the air. It started straight at her, like Roman. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary statue then moved out of the room, and then appeared to slam the loud door.
Yeah, so now you must have seen in the cases of the Hollywood horror movies. When you step inside all alone in the room and the room is so dark, and all of a sudden you feel someone is breathing right near to your ear. You see as if someone is so sniffled, like sniffing, and she could literally feel that sniffing right close to her ear. A moment after later, that hat on the bedpost lift up. जो hat पड़ी थी ना बेड के ऊपर, वो ऐसे ऐसे गोल गोल ऐसे ऊपर उठी, and dashed itself into her face. और ऐसे करके लोग कैप पे राउंड कैप होते हैं, तो वो उसके मुंह पे आए, किसके? मिसेस हॉल के, ठीक है. Then the bedroom chair became alive. फिर अचानक से वो आर्म चेयर होता है. But if you have seen Conjuring, you know how the chair moves, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the chair came alive. अब मुझे लग रहा है कि ग्रिफिन वहां पे बैठे लगे ना, मजा ले रहा कि चलो आओ इनको थोड़ा डराते हैं. Of course, Mrs. Hall and the landlord didn't know about this, and there was something very unique about that particular chair. Springing into the air, it charged straight at her. अचानक से वो चेयर हवा में उठी और डायरेक्टली उसकी तरफ अटैक किया उस चेयर ने. Legs foremost, as she and her husband turned away in the terror. वो और उसका हस्बैंड डर के मारे घूमे और दरवाजे की ओर भागना उन्होंने शुरू किया. The extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room. धक्का मार के दोनों को रूम से बाहर निकाल दिया, and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. और बाहर निकलने के बाद दरवाजा बाहर करके बंद कर दिया, जैसे किसी ने मुंह पे टमाटर कैसा मारा वैसे दरवाजा slammed. He literally slammed the door on their face. Continue. Hysterics. डर के मारे जो कांपने लगते हैं ना कि ये क्या हो रहा है, then the beats of your heart, they increase all of a sudden because something unexpected happened. Okay. Yes. Yes, तो मिसेस जो हॉल थी, ठीक है, she was afraid, she was scared now because and डर के मारे जब वो कांपने लगी ना, तो she fell down over the stairs and उसको तब पता चल गया था कि हो ना हो ये रूम में कुछ शैतानी आत्माएं घूम रही है, and that the stranger has somehow caused these to enter into her furniture. और कहो ना कहो, लेकिन ये जो स्ट्रेंजर है जो रह रहा है यहाँ पे, उन्होंने ये शक्तियों को फर्नीचर में बसा लिया है. That means, he has tried to fix up the spirits into the furniture of that particular room. Continue. Yes. अब now see, she's trying to build an association. She says कि मेरी बूढ़ी माँ इस चेयर के ऊपर बैठा करती थी. अब जब उसने सोचा ना कि ये चेयर मेरे पे कैसे अटैक कर सकती है, इस चेयर पे तो मेरी माँ बैठा करती थी कभी. And she's thought of that. Continue. चुड़ैल. Burglary, लूटपाट. Burglary. ठीक है, continue. Burglars are the people who thief. Okay, they are the theft. Continue.
And this clergyman who became known, the same finding was
Burglary. ठीक है, जो चोरी होती है, it's a verb, it's an action. Burglars are the thief. Burglary is the action that they do. The process of looting is burglary. Continue.
the strange finding was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. Suspicion grew even stronger when he suddenly produced some ready steps. So he had admitted not long before that he had movement.
Yes, now understand this कि अब neighbors को पता चलने लगा, ठीक है, तो उन्होंने ये conclusion भी दे दी कि शायद इसके पीछे कोई चुड़ैल का हाथ, and there is something wrong in this room and somehow they are blaming on the witchcraft. Okay. When the news of burglary at the clergyman's house became known, जब बाकी सब लोगों को ये पादरी के घर पे जो चोरी हुई थी उनके बारे में पता चला, और ये दोनों चीजें करीबन ऑलमोस्ट एक रात में हुई, जो बर्गलरी हुई वो रात में हुई, and this strange thing in the form of furniture that happened in the early morning. So of course the doubt had to be gone on the scientist called Mr. Griffin. तो पूरे गांव वाले लोग मिस्टर ग्रिफिन के ऊपर शक करने लगे. अब शक कुछ ज्यादा ही स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया कि जब we know that there was a phrase that Mr. Griffin was struggling from the cash, and he said to Mrs. Hall that he is expecting to receive a check, but now then all of a sudden this guy presented the cash in the form of the rent. ठीक है, तब तो ये बात श्योर थी कि ये पैसे कहाँ से आए हैं. This money had come from the clergyman's house. Okay. Or chori, burglary, chori. Okay. Yeah.
The village constable was very thankful. Instead of waiting for the all went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from the antibiotic.
Yes.
I want to
एक मिनट. ये जो विलेज कांस्टेबल जो था, गांव का जो पुलिस वाला होता है, ठीक है, तो अब ऑफ कोर्स ये मैटर पब्लिकली तो करनी नहीं थी, तो जान पहचान में कोई कांस्टेबल को भी जानता, तो उसको बुला के आके यार यहाँ पे ना कोई प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, तो मिस्टर ग्रिफिन को पकड़ और उससे पूछताछ कर. ओके, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द कांस्टेबल, अब कांस्टेबल की राह देखे उससे पहले मिसेस हॉल जो थी वो गई मिस्टर ग्रिफिन के पास, ठीक है, जो अचानक से बेडरूम में से ही निकला. इंसिडेंट होने के बाद जब उनके मुंह पे ये दरवाजा स्लैम हुआ था, तब से वो दरवाजा बंद ही था. तो ये ग्रिफिन आया कहाँ से? अगर आया तो उनको पता क्यों नहीं चला कि दरवाजा खोल के वो आया? वो अंदर ही होगा. Because we know that all these things have been caused by Mr. Griffin. Okay. Yes. Continue.
and choose and how to enter.
Yes. She says कि मुझे ये जानना है कि तुम मेरी ये चेयर्स के साथ क्या कर रहे हो, पहली बात। और दूसरी बात, मुझे तुम ये बताओ कि तुम ये खाली रूम में से आए कैसे, और वैसे भी दरवाजा तो बाहर से बंद था, तो तुम आए कहाँ से? ठीक है। How did you get into the room and how did you get out? Continue.
Scientists was always with temper. Now we became clear. You don't understand what he from very well. I'll show you.
Yes, ठीक है। अब तो वैसे भी था एक तो शॉर्ट टेम्पर का, तो बोला अच्छा तो तुम्हें ये जानना है कि मैं कौन हूँ, ठीक है। तुम्हें पता नहीं कि मैं कौन हूँ, तो चलो ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ कि मैं कौन हूँ, ठीक है। ठीक है, now you be ready for that side of mine, yes, continue. अब पर्दा खुल रहा है। He gradually started removing all the bandages and we of course couldn't see the invisible Mr. Griffin. Continue.
It was spectacle and even more. It took him only a minute to do this. The horrified people in the bar found themselves there.
Headless man, ऐसा इंसान जिसका सर नहीं था। वो तो तब बैंडेजेस से उतरी थी, फिर उसके बाद सब लोग ऐसा भी पता चला कि ये पूरा इंसान ही invisible है। It is not like only the head is not there, but the entire body is invisible, right? Continue. वैसे भी पुलिस तो आखिर में ही आती है ना, जब सब कुछ हो जाता है उसके बाद ही पुलिस आती है। तो मिस्टर जैफर जो थे वे वहां पे आए। कंटिन्यू। यस, अब मिस्टर जैफर्स तब तक वहां पे आ पहुंचे थे, ठीक है, लेकिन मिस्टर जैफर्स के भी हाथ बंधे हुए थे, क्योंकि जब तक उनको हायर अथॉरिटी से ऑर्डर नहीं आते मैजिस्ट्रेट के, तब तक वो इसे गिरफ्तार नहीं कर सकते थे, चाहे फिर वो हेडलेस मैन हो कि हेड वाला मैन, ठीक है। कंटिन्यू। अब जैसे जैसे वो वन बाय वन गारमेंट्स उतारता जाता था, वैसे वैसे ये मिस्टर जैफर थे उसकी जॉब डिफिकल्ट होती जा रही थी, बिकॉज अगर उसका हाथ भी पकड़ना है तो पकड़ेगा कहाँ से, बिकॉज उसको पता ही नहीं कि उसका हाथ कहाँ पे है, बिकॉज अगर हथकड़ी लगानी है, ठीक है, सो विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द हैंड ना, बिकॉज द हैंड इज आल्सो नॉट देयर। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो अब मिस्टर जैफर के लिए और टास्क ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो गया था, बिकॉज अब तो शर्ट भी उसने निकाल के ऐसे हवा में फेंक दिया था। सो नाउ इट बिकेम द टास्क ऑफ मिस्टर जैफर मोर डिफिकल्ट, because he was looking for a man he had to arrest, but where he is he? Because if he has to arrest him, he has to see him, right? But slowly and gradually he was getting 100% invisible. Continue. तो कुछ लोग जो वहां पे खड़े थे उन्होंने सोचा कि हमें मिस्टर जैफर की मदद करनी चाहिए, तो वो यहाँ वहां दौड़ रहे उसको पकड़ने के लिए, और इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ द सेम उनको मुक्के आ रहे कहीं से, उनको पता भी नहीं चल रहा, लेकिन कोई उनको मुक्के मार रहा है। बट यू नो दैट हु वाज द पर्सन बिहाइंड दिस। यस, कंटिन्यू। यस, फिर लास्ट में आखिर में मिस्टर जेफर्स को भी एक मुक्का मुंह पे मिला, इतनी हद तक कि वो ऑलमोस्ट अनकॉन्शियस हो चुके थे जब उन्होंने अपना लास्ट अटेम्प्ट किया उसको पकड़ने में। कंटिन्यू। पकड़ो 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 पकड़ो, हाँ देखो, पकड़ो पकड़ो। वो उस इंसान को पकड़ो पकड़ो बोल रहे थे जो पहले से दिख ही नहीं रहा तो पता कैसे चला कि वो भाग रहा है कि वहीं पे है। ऑलराइट, कंटिन्यू। यस, क्योंकि ये सब चीजें क्या कि बोलने में बहुत अच्छी लगती है, पकड़ो पकड़ो पकड़ो, लेकिन जब एक्चुअल में उसको पकड़ने की बारी आई तब वो ग्रिफिन दिख ही नहीं रहा था। ऑलराइट, सो ग्रिफिन हैड shaken himself free. Up finally Griffin was free and no one knew where to lay hands on him. और किसी को आइडिया नहीं आ रहा था कि अगर हमको मिस्टर ग्रिफिन को पकड़ना है तो हम आखिर में पकड़े कैसे। Understood? Any doubts? Any queries? Online students, did you understand why the camera was off? Time to remove people. In 5 seconds, turn camera on. Else you'll find me removing you. Jainam's camera is not on. Let me remove. Okay, just okay. I can see Krish. I can see Jainam. I can see Tia. Pranjwal, Meg, Dhairya Solanki. I cannot see. Okay, wait. Let me remove you first of all. Okay, wait. Shall I remove? You want to feel how it looks like to remove someone? See, now automatically the cameras have got on. But I think I need to remove Meg, right? Because despite several intimations, you're still not turning on the camera. You can reply in the chat if you have some technical glitches. Yes, Meg. So you settle down at one place, Meg.
Yes, sir.
Keep on roaming in the entire house like Mr. Griffin. You are visible. Okay? Yes. You are invisible only till the time the cameras are off. Yes. Great. Now keep the cameras on. If I found you removing the cameras or you are behind the cameras, I will remove you without intimation. And then you keep on sending me requests. Okay? Great. So any doubts so far in this particular chapter? Any queries? No? Okay. Now take out the notebook and pen. Quick. Hurry up, quickly take out the notebook and pen. Let us do something called the class test. Yes, we will be doing that. So be ready with the notebook and pen and give heading as the class test. Okay. And footprints without feet. You don't have notebook with you. Why? Because ऐसे ही घूमने चल रहा है बेटा. Someone please give him a pink page and a pen also. You have pen? No. Yes. कोई टेंशन नहीं. नहीं, टाइम नहीं जाता ना आपके हिसाब से. The time doesn't go. Time doesn't travel, right? Chalo, great. So you give heading as the class test. Give today's date and day. Write it with neat and clean handwriting. Is everyone ready? Online students? Yes? Don't worry, we will be discussing the answers also of these questions. Okay? So yes, the first question. What curious episode, number one, what curious episode occurs in the study? Occurs in the study. Second question. Why were the landlord? Why were the landlord? Jainam लिख रहे हो? कि संदीप सर से घर पे बात करवाऊं Jainam? Are you even writing to what I'm saying, Jainam?
No, sir.
Why are you not writing? Anything special about it? Or waiting for my instructions? Because unnecessarily you are looking at the screen and laughing for no reasons. So stop that laughing, okay? Your finger is broken. Show me your finger. Quick. ये तो वैसी की वैसी है. Do you have medical certificate that it is broken? Have you shown it to the doctor? At your home, do people know that you have broken your finger? तो कैसे ऐसा होगा? मैं बात करता हूँ घर पे और आपको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाए, ठीक है ना? That is really important. Because then that will be the problem of lifetime. Okay, so I'll ask Dimple ma'am to call at your home and ask your parents to take you to the doctor. Right? Jainam, how did this happen? घर पे रहने से ऐसा हो गया? You can unmute yourself and talk to me. It's okay. Chat में नहीं लगा, मैं chat नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. Talk so that everyone in the family can know what you are speaking. Come on. I don't read the chats, please. Hurry up. So now he has left, I guess. Thank you. Oh yes, here he is. Jainam, please talk to me, beta. Lip sync नहीं करना है, बोलना है बेटा. Because आप वो ये जो आप हैंड्स फ्री पकड़ रहे हो और मूवमेंट कर रहे हो ना, उसकी भी आवाज आ रही है. So it literally looks like you are lip syncing. But anyway, it's your call, Jainam. Okay, I'm not getting more detail into it, but I wish that you should write. Okay, thank you. So did we write second question? Only one question is done. Okay. Why were the landlord and his wife surprised to see? Why were the landlord and his wife surprised to see the scientist's door wide open? Question mark. Scientist's door wide open? Question mark. Next. What happened to the people? What happened to the people who tried to help? Who tried to help the constable in catching the invisible man? Question mark. In catching the invisible man? Question mark. Next. What did the scientist do? What did the scientist do when he became furious? When he became furious? Question mark. What did the scientist do when he became furious? Question mark. Continue. Why were the people in the bar horrified? In the bar horrified? Question mark. Next question. Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Next. Why did
Can you tell the
Griffin,
spelling of eccentric?
ECCENTRIC, ECCENTRIC, eccentric? Okay. Next. Why did Griffin slip into a SLIP? Don't write SLEEP. Slip into a big London store. Big London store? Question mark. Continue. What did he do? What did he do inside the shop? Question mark. Last question. Why were the two boys? Why were the two boys in London surprised? Question mark. Surprised? Question mark. See, you can exclusively take the help of the textbook. I don't know. Okay. So then when I tell you the answers, you can cross-check your answers with mine. Okay.
So each
Clear?
question is of how much marks?
Or not more than 2 marks, better. Okay. Yes. You can start writing and let me know once you are done. Okay. Without fail. So time to remove Tia, Dharya, Meg, Kashwini. Bye. Good. आ गई है. See, you turn off the cameras at your own risk. Okay. Krish, your camera is not on, beta. Can you hear me, Krish?
Yes, sir.
I think I did, I did put you in waiting room once, I guess. Right?
Yes, sir.
Please keep it on, okay, beta? Yeah, okay.
Sir, can you repeat the fifth question?
Fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Done, dear students. Let me know
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
so that we can start discussing the fast minutes. So let us start discussing, right? If you are ready. How many are left? You do it. You have time till 8:20. Okay. So number one, what curious episode occurs in the study? The curious episode was that money was being taken from the clergyman's desk, but there was no one in the room. Why were the landlord and his wife surprised to see the scientist's door wide open? Griffin always kept his door shut and locked from inside. If anybody entered the room, he was angry. But that morning, the door of his room was wide open. This surprised the landlord and his wife. He became curious. कौन सा बोलते हैं? Curious की बात कर रहा हूँ. Curious. हाँ, fine, fine. ये mask के नीचे curious समझा ही नहीं. Very good. What happened to the people who tried to help the constable in catching the invisible man? The people who tried to help the constable in catching the invisible man found themselves hit by the blows that seemed to come from nowhere. Not now here, it's nowhere. Okay. What did the scientist do when he became furious? Why were the people in the bar horrified? He threw off his bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even nose in a minute and became headless. The people in the bar were horrified to see a headless man. Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Mrs. Hall found the scientist eccentric because he had paid the rent in advance. He never allowed Mrs. Hall to talk to him, and he had an uncommon appearance. He had an uncommon appearance. Why did Griffin slip into a big London store? What did he do inside the shop? Griffin was wandering on the streets of London in midwinter. The weather outside was chilling cold and he needed clothes to save himself from this unbearable weather. Griffin decided to enter a London store. Griffin broke open the boxes and wrappers and dressed himself in warm clothes. He ate cold meat and had coffee in the restaurant, followed by sweets and wine from the grocery. Understood? Why were the two boys in London surprised? The two boys in London were surprised and fascinated because they saw the fresh, muddy impression of a pair of the feet on the steps of a house in London. The man was not in sight, not visible anywhere, and that made those two boys surprised. Any doubts? Any queries, dear students? Did you understand?
Yes.
Right. So I'm sure somehow you might have tried to compare your answer with mine. Few answers, few words which I spoke, you might not have written. Few words that you might have written, I might not have spoken. But then anyways, what ends well is that at the end of the session, you understand the question and the answers.
Sir, can you repeat the sixth answer?
Sixth answer,
Yes, sir.
it is a bit lengthier. Griffin was wandering on the streets of London in midwinter. The weather outside was chilling cold, and he needed clothes to save himself from this unbearable weather. Griffin decided to enter a London store. Griffin broke open the boxes and wrappers and dressed himself in warm clothes. He ate cold meat and had coffee in the restaurant, followed by sweets and wine from the grocery store.
Okay.
Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now any idea when is the exam in your school going to take place? Maybe in some September? September. SA1. SA1, right? FA1, FA2, SA1, FA3, FA4, SA2. This is how it happens, right? No? Everything is now online, right? Have you started resuming the schools physically? Started with 50% of capacity? No, everyone? Compulsory? No online? Earlier it was it online? And which mode were they using? Zoom or Meet? Meet. Okay. Who takes English? Durga ma'am. SS. Maths. Science. So it is compulsory offline, and everyone gets to the school. That's great. 9 to 12. See, I think our school also should make it compulsory now. Right? You are missing the school, right? And the friends. ये भी एक कड़वा सत्य है. I understand. What about the online students? Are you also excited to get back to your school, or still feeling safe at your home? Missing the school, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo, sahi hai. Great. So that's it for today, right, dear students? Now see you in the next class. Bye.
Hi, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.